So cheers. Hello from Baku downtown, and guess what? I'm not in Bali, I'm in Baku, and today I picked the place to have my beautiful lunch in Hard Rock Cafe Baku. So just ordered some beautiful combo, jumbo combo with a nice burger. Gonna have it, bite it, grab it and share with you how it feels. Stay tuned. Comes to my mind the time when Hard Rock Cafe all over the world had these huge books, you know, the menu, and now nothing is like that anymore. So we have to scan the code and get the menu on the screen. Finally, my food has arrived, so let's try it now. First of all, that's my favorite onion rings. I'm gonna dip them somewhere in the and first meal of the day, and it's awesome. Basically, every Hard Rock Cafe has it's some kind of signature drink, yeah. It's super cooling, perfect for summer. Only available in Hard Rock Cafe Baku, Sweet Dream watermelon. And here is something Mexican. It's got some beans and corn, sweet corn. Wow. Love it. And of course, as I just mentioned, no beer, no Hard Rock. Just would like to highlight, this is not paid promotion. It's just a personal preference. It's my favorite cafe, and I'm proud to have this local beer, Kurdalan. So cheers. Oh, creamy. Flavor is just stunning. We're about to start having this gorgeous barbecue burger. And first of all, we have to remove this knife. Some people prefer to cut it. I will not do that because I love to, as I said earlier, grab it and have it. So we just grab it like this and we bite it. So good, honestly.
seems like it's a mukbang show, but it's just Zhao's lunch. This is the barbecue sauce. Wow, it's a spicy barbecue sauce.
I know when you're watching me, you want to come here and try this.
Nothing stops you from planning to come here and try it.
Cheers. Have a beautiful August 2021. Stay safe.